Most of us know what coasters are and the purpose they serve. They're an item or mat, usually but not always round in shape, to set drinks on in order to protect tables and other surfaces from scratches, stains, and moisture damage. You probably have at least a few somewhere in your home. But what many people don't realize is that you can buy coasters specifically for your car as well as your living space. These types of coasters are designed to slide into your car's cup holders in order to keep them clean. There are numerous options for cheap cup holder coasters, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable cup holder coasters from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 7 Sparta Car Silicone Cup Holder Coasters. Silicone coasters offer several worthwhile features. It's a flexible material that won't chip and is resistant to hot and cold temperatures alike. And, in the case of car coasters like these, they won't rattle around or make noise when they bump against the sides of your car's cup holders. Unlike most other car coasters, these have a unique pull tab that makes them even easier to grab, place, and remove. If you ever need to take one out for cleaning or to rotate another coaster in, you won't have to struggle or pull it out of the cup holder. The raised lidded sides, over half an inch tall, ensure that moisture spills from your cups will stay inside the coaster instead of overflowing into the cup holder. And these coasters help protect your cup holders from dust, as well as stains and goo from drinks. Their diameter is just over 3 inches, which will fit super snugly in the cup holders of most vehicles, Jeeps, and SUVs. You receive 4 car coasters with your purchase. Number 2. WOCOCN Car Coasters for Drinks. A pair of car coasters that prove functional doesn't have to mean plain. Made from soft neoprene rubber, these coasters are every bit as absorbent as they are cute. The anti-slip bottoms also ensure they'll stay firmly in place. You won't have to worry about either the coasters or the drinks on top from sliding around and scratching up or spilling on your cup holders. And you have a choice between 5 different colorful, eye-catching designs. All but one pattern is available in 2 different colors for a total of 9 different design options. The material that covers these coasters and gives them their cute colorful designs is also designed to be absorbent to aid the rubber beneath in soaking up moisture. The small finger cutout makes them easier to remove if you ever need to clean them or want to use them as regular coasters outside the car. Both coasters are 0.2 inches thick and have a diameter of 2.75 inches. Number 3. Pedo Absorbent Car Ceramic Coasters. If you prefer the strength and sturdiness of ceramic coasters over any other material, this pack of 6 is for you. The ceramic stone will quickly absorb any liquid or condensation droplets that run down the side of your cups or glasses, helping keep your car holder dry and clean. Thanks to the glazed finish, the ceramic won't fade from constant exposure to water. You can wash each car coaster in water, brush it clean, and then leave it to air dry in the sun, without worrying about the designer colors fading over time. The designs are scratch-proof as well, so you'll be able to enjoy all 6 artistic black and white patterns for years to come. Each coaster has a 2.56-inch diameter, perfect for the standard-size cup holders in most cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks. Since they do so well in the water, feel free to pop a coaster out with a small finger slot and bring it out on a boat or to the lake or beach for a day. This makes a great present for the coffee lover in your life. Number 4. Tifanso 4-pack car coasters with removable finger notch. Though most car coasters will be reasonably priced, this set brings especially good value to the table. For one very low price, you receive 4 ceramic coasters that have been specially manufactured. This process makes them even more absorbent than regular ceramic, so they'll soak up even the smallest drops of moisture or condensation from your cups, mugs, and glasses. You won't have to worry about water or drink marks on either your cup holders or the coasters themselves. This also makes them easier to clean. Just rinse in some water, with a little detergent for more stubborn stains, then allow them to air dry overnight. The half-moon cutout along on the side of each coaster makes removing them for cleaning or rotating coasters a quick, efficient experience. Each of the 4 car coasters is 2.56 inches in diameter, plus 0.27 inches thick to fit effortlessly into standard cup holders. And the bright, colorful mandala patterns on the surface bring a little decoration and color to your vehicle. Each of the 4 coasters comes with a different mandala and color scheme. If you want something more subtle, you can buy these car coasters in black and white marble-like patterns instead. Number 5. DBlospUniversal Insert Car Coaster. These silicone car coasters add bling to your cup holders with shining rhinestones on the circumference. The ribbed surface traps condensation while providing a non-slip bottom. The silicone can withstand high temperatures and doesn't accumulate odor, even when in contact with various liquids and other debris. Some reviewers reported that the rhinestones started falling off after a while. Still, the majority were happy with the fit of the coasters, saying they added a nice touch to their cars. Many said the coasters are classy and easy to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.